Just today, on one single trade, I was able to make $5,400. And I'm going to break down exactly step by step as to why I took this trade so you guys can literally copy my exact trading strategy. Stop clicking the videos on the other side of this video. This is the last video that you guys need in order to be a successful futures trader. Thank you, by the way, for clicking my video. It does mean a lot. There's a lot of other information out there, but guys, I'm going to pour into you. I'm going to give you my heart and soul. And this is God speaking through me in this video. I'm going to give you guys mindset, not just a strategy, everything that you need to really dominate the markets this year. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Colt. You guys can shoot me a follow on Instagram. Also, hit the subscribe button, guys. I'm going to be dropping videos a lot more lately that will really help you guys out. If you guys are looking for a prop firm, you guys can go to Apex Trader Funding. If you use this code on the screen, it will give you 50% off. And also, I am now doing live trading sessions. You can get 7 days free by clicking the link in the description. We trade every morning, Monday through Friday at 6:30 a.m. PST. Now, without further ado, guys, let's get on my computer. Let's go into this information. Look at this beautiful setup right here on NQ. So I do trade futures. I trade NASDAQ, YM, and ES. I do not trade anything else. I was a forex trader for 9 years, and then the past about a year and a half, I switched to futures just because there's much more regulation and my money's a lot safer here, no spread, and a lot of other benefits. So I like to focus on NQ. NQ is my bread and my butter. Now you guys are probably wondering, what is the strategy? So I'm going to go step by step for you guys, okay? First off, like I said, I'm trading NQ. This does work on YM and ES, S&P 500 or Dow Jones. NQ, I find the technicals are a lot smoother, but you guys need to remember this. There may be days where there's not a setup on NQ, but there is a setup on YM. Or there may be days like YM was a little choppy, but NQ, it provided that setup that we needed in order to take this trade. So you guys got to kind of have two screens up on at all times, where you have like YM on this screen, ES, and then NQ, so you can be looking at all of them. That is the first step, the 3 asset classes that we trade. Next, I am on the minute 1 time frame. This strategy is more of a scalping strategy, so we're going to be on lower time frames, the minute 1, minute 5. I'm mainly focused on the minute 1. I don't even go any higher than that most all the time. If I want to get like a trend bias and see like overall where the trend is, I will look at the daily, but I am executing trades on the 1 minute time frame. With my broker, guys, I'm using TradeOvate. So if you guys go to tradeovate.com, you can sign up and it links directly to TradingView, which is absolutely insane. I love that I can just trade in one place versus back in the day with forex. I would have to do my analysis on TradingView and then I would go execute a trade on MT4 or MT5. So I like that that's all there. Now the times that I am trading, very, very crucial. I am trading at the market open, 9:30 a.m. EST. Now if you go to the time zone button right here, I have mine in UTC-5 New York just so I'm in alignment with those hours. Now, like I said, I'm trading at the market open 9:30 to 10 a.m. That 30-minute window of time, I swear to God, my Heavenly Father, if you guys go and you look at that time window on all 3 asset classes every day, Monday through Friday, one of the setups that I'm going to show you guys will appear and you'll be able to get a really, really nice trade. So this is what happened today. We can see the market was pushing up. This is the market open right here. Now, I didn't like the market open because these candles were very big and there's a lot of wicks in here. Obviously, it pushing up like this and forming this higher high and this higher low, it was helping me identify that, okay, we're bullish today. Like, we're not going to be looking for shorts. We're most likely going to be going long today. So I saw this, higher high and a higher low. And that's the absolute perfect market conditions that you guys want to see. Like, if you are looking at your chart, you should see lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. That's what you want to be looking for when you're trading, guys. You don't want to be trading choppy markets where it's going back and forth and it's going lower right here and then up higher and then back like this again and then up higher, but then it goes lower right here. Dude, you guys want to find very, very smooth trending markets where it's forming lower lows and lower highs or higher highs and lower lows. That is a key right there. Okay, market structure is big. You guys want to be in alignment with the market. So I saw that we were pushing up higher high, higher low. Now what I was looking for is a new higher high. And that's exactly what I saw right here. I saw this candle. Notice how the body of the candle right at this point in time before this candle came out, this was our current high right here at 21,270. Once this candle, look at the candle, if I get it, 21,271. Once the body of that candle goes higher than this point right here, that wick, I know that price wants to continue to push up. That is the biggest hack right there, guys. You need to be looking at the bodies and how they're closing. The wicks do the damage, the bodies tell the story. Okay, so we have this candle right here. It goes and engulfs this high. I'm like, okay, perfect. We're pushing up for a higher high. Now, what I have in here is I have my fair value gap. If you guys go right here and you type in Lux, Algo, space, fair value gap right here, you can add this indicator that will automatically print the fair value gaps on your chart. That's what these rectangles are. So what are you looking for in a fair value gap? So a fair value gap is a 1, 2, 3 candlestick pattern. We have the first candle. We go from the high of the first candle for a bullish fair value gap and vice versa for a bearish fair value gap. So what we're ultimately doing is, look, I'll show you guys. We're getting a rectangle, this tool. We're going from the first candle's high to the third candle's low like that. And then we extend into the future. Now look, I'll put my executions on the chart so you guys can see. Look it. I went in. And I accidentally put this first trade in accidentally for 5 contracts, and I didn't see my risk. It was way too much, so I like closed with a quick profit, and then I went back in with 3 contracts. So you can see the fair value gap. It's 1, 2, 3 candles right here. And guys, I have one-on-one mentorship. If you guys want to get help and be on Zoom with me and get like everything that I know, all the resources, everything, guys, click the link in the description. You can book a call with me. So look, fair value gap, 1, 2, 3 candles. Notice the second candle, how it creates this gap. So there's a gap between the first candle's high, where we put the rectangle, and the gap between the third candle's low, where we put that rectangle. Remember, guys, all we were doing, we were going from this candle's high to this candle's low. And with the rectangle tool, if you guys put this magnet mode on, it will make it so much easier so it clicks exactly to the highs and the lows and the body's candles, opens and closes. Need that tool. It's a freaking game changer. So fair value gap, 1, 2, 3 candles. Usually the 4th, 5th, or 6th candle is going to retrade into this rectangle, and that's where we would take a buy. It'd be vice versa for a sell. So what happened? This candle, the 4th candle, came right into the fair value gap. That's my mistake move right there. Bought 5, sold them right there for a little profit, I think, or a little loss there was. And then I came in with 3 contracts, and then I ended up closing those 3 contracts right here at 21,367. So you guys can see that's the trade that I took right there. Fair value gap, price retraded into it. Stops, big thing right here. Let me move this. This is a freaking hack. You guys need to know these little things in order to be successful with this strategy. So with the fair value gaps, usually what I have is I have my stop loss right below the low of the first candle that makes the fair value gap. So this candle was the first candle that created the fair value gap. 1, 2, 3 candles. Stop loss is always below that first candle, and I dragged it just a little bit lower in case it wanted to retest. And look, guys, price never retested even close to it. It did get a little close here, but at the end of the day, guys, this trade was absolutely perfect. And the best part is, you guys can see on my chart, these little dotted lines, these are my alerts. I'm not sitting here watching this trade. Dude, do you guys really think after I enter a trade that I'm sitting here in front of my computer for 49 minutes? Dude, I can be in the gym hitting weights. I could be taking my dog to the bathroom. I could be taking a shower. There's so many things that I could be doing with my time. And at the end of the day, I value my time over money because there's other ways to trade. And that's the whole point of freaking trading. Like, guys, I showed up to my charts at 9:25. 9:25 I got there. I had entered a trade within 15 minutes. It doesn't get any better than that, and that's how trading should be. If you're not showing up to the markets and if you're not seeing one of your setups appear fairly quickly, dude, walk away, come back the next day. You have 3 asset classes. You guys don't need to be trading every day. You don't need to be trading all day. Like, there's so many of you that have this misconception that trading should be like laborious and difficult and hard. It's like, dude, if your setup's not there between the times that you need to trade, walk the fuck away and come back the next day. It's simple as that, guys. So guys, that's what I wanted to share with you in this video. Hope that you guys got value in. Let's keep killing it, guys. Keep showing up to the markets every single day. Consistency is your best friend. They say that consistency gains respect. If you want the market's respect, if you want your family's respect, your friends, your haters' respect, keep fucking showing up every single day until you see the results that you want. Will it be easy? Hell no. Will it be hard? Yeah. It's gonna suck. It's gonna fucking suck. But if you guys can eat dirt for a couple of months, maybe even a couple of years, like guys, it took me 10 years to get to this point. 10 years to get to where I am right now. And I'm not even close to where I want to be. So the process is what you guys need to focus on. Focus on the evolution of oneself. Focus on the evolution of you. You watching this video right now, focus on how quickly you can grow as an individual. What are these little habits that you have that are interrupting your success as a trader? Fix them. Get the data that you need, take that data, and make better decisions in the future. You guys all know what you need to do. You guys are all born with this gift that Heavenly Father has given us already within us. Like, guys, we have everything that we need already within us and in our mind to see whatever type of success that we want. It's the belief in oneself. Do you believe? Do you 100% believe that you deserve to have the life that you want? Guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Hope you guys have a great day. Not a lot of people made it to the end of the video, but you did. Make sure you share this video with a friend. Also, comment below. I want to know who you guys are and how I can help you guys out with your trading. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping weekly videos every single week on trading to help you guys out. Look forward to seeing you guys soon.